how we were really dumbing it down our own product just so that they could understand. And we didn't realize that this is the audience is not dumb. The audience base has increased for Manoj Bajpayee. I waited because there was a clutter that I could see on OTT even that time, which was only talking about guns and violence and sex mostly.
So, hi everyone, welcome to Filmfare OTT Showcase, a special series in celebration of the Flix Filmfare OTT Awards. I'm in conversation with someone who's often referred to as a thespian, but to me, he remains Manoj, warm, unassuming, humble, the same Manoj I had met 30 years ago. So, what changed? Despite the great performances, the peerless acting, and wonderful films, let's quickly begin to the year that has been. And I bring notice to his performances in Bhosle and The Family Man. How have you processed all the overwhelming response to both these?
The first thing that occurred to me, Jitesh, first of all, great, coming back to you after such a long time. And it always seems that we don't miss the long gaps that in the meetings. We always pick it up from we left. So
Yes.
that's a sign of a great understanding and great friendship. Okay, the maturity. All of us have matured. I hopefully like a matured wine, which only gets beautiful to taste. But yes, so what has happened that Family Man has happened to me after a long wait of great content. I was getting offers when the OTT started, coming into our country. Sacred Games, which is kind of hit it out of the park, and people are looking towards me, to sign up something or the other. Um, but I purposely waited. I waited because there was a clutter that I could see on OTT even that time, which was only talking about guns and violence and sex mostly. And I wanted to start my OTT journey with something which was breaker, which was something talking more than just a thriller, more than just a story. So when Family Man synopsis was narrated to me by Raj and DK, what I liked about most is family aspect of a common man who is who has a demanding job and is trying to find a balance between both the world. And this is something which every one of us goes through. So that was a winning point for me, and I could see myself in that kind of a genre. And this is where I thought that I would make a great contribution as an actor if I really work hard on the role and all the aspects of it. uh, and that's when I took it up, without even listening, without even going through the first episode, second episode, third episode, just on the basis of synopsis and also the credibility as a directors, these Raj and DK were coming in. I went ahead with it, and the we worked very hard on the set to really create those sequences with those little children. And in the end, when people say that Family Man is the main attraction was the family, I feel so great about it. I feel so amazing that that was the winning point for me when I heard the synopsis, and this is exactly people are falling in love with, and people are empathizing with the struggle of a common man who is trying to struggling very hard to find a balance between both the demanding world. um, the audience that has the audience base has increased for Manoj Bajpayee. I was uh, a week after Family Man streaming. I was at the airport, and 16-year boy uh, with his siblings came up to me and asked for my autograph. This has never happened to me because I was never making those kind of contents for that age group, and that kind of started snowballing. And that time, I was the most happy about was penetrating into that age group, you know, and making them interested into my work. That was something which came as a big, not only as a big relief, but also somewhere that was the high point of my career. You know, from Bandit Queen till then, I was mostly catering to the intelligent class, or the age group which was 20 25 and above. I was, and less than that, only Shah Rukh Khan was penetrating. So we were left with nothing, you know. So that was the thing which, completely humbled me about Family Man. Uh, Bhosle, to be very honest, Bhosle wouldn't have stood a great chance in theater. The kind of theatrical system that we have in this country, that the independent films don't get space, in our theater distributions and theater exhibition. They invariably don't get shows. Invariably they are crushed by the big budget mega star films. Their shows are taken away, poor guys, so the Bhosle won't have stood a chance in theater. The director doesn't compromise
I remember
with
seeing mostly
yeah,
the short film when you
right.
short film
Tando,
and
yeah, that was
yes,
Tando, yeah.
stand up, yeah.
Yes. So, this is this has been this year has been very, very uh, not only of humbling, but also of learning. Okay, of learning about the audience that we cater to, and how we were really dumbing it down, our own product, just so that they could understand. And we didn't realize that the audience is not dumb. You just have to give them quality product and the content, and they are there to lap it up. They are there to show their interest and really rally behind you. And Family Man and Bhosle have been a big learning factor for me.
Tell me, as an actor, coming back to Family Man, uh, how do you find the truth in the character? Is there some process where how do you find it?
If you see the film, there's a series, very minutely, my relationship with my son is is very it comes across as funny, because he can afford to really, crush him. you know he can afford to dish him all the time, but he can't do the same thing with the girl. Okay. And this is a major factor, major difference between my relationship with my son and the women in the family. So here is a guy who is completely dominated by the women in the family.
Why is
and
that? Why is that?
and um, I don't know, it may have come from my own family experience,
Okay.
because I because I am completely dominated by my 10-year-old daughter, and obviously by my wife. They don't let me get away with any, um, any even minute kind of a mistake. They always make it sure that they rub it, 10 times in a day, even that. And that small mistake, they make it sound as if the biggest crime against the women world. so, so maybe because of that. But the day I found the relationship between my children, I found the character. I don't know. Something worked about Shrikant Tiwari that day, and everything started falling together for me.
Have you met any Shrikant Vermas and Bhosles in your life?
I mean, I have. Someone who's come very closely to Bhosle is my father-in-law, who's no more now. Uh,
Okay.
who kind of never gotten out. He hated to mingle with people. He hated to uh, do those rishtedari. Going to somebody's puja, going to somebody's namaz, going to somebody's or participating in Eid celebration. Somebody who completely hated this uh, uh,
Rituals.
human interaction. He found no basis to all of this. I I also think that somewhere, somewhere that's why he was so happy and content, because he never took the responsibility of making others feel happy. So if the distant reference or distant somebody I have seen who was like Bhosle was my father-in-law. Yeah. So
So
if you
thank
meet my
you so much.
if you meet my father, even at the age of 82, you tell him to start his life all over again, he's all happy. He's all happy. He still wants to kind of come back to it and kick it all over again. So
So thank you, Manoj. As always, it's been a pleasure chatting with you. Thank you
thank
so
you.
much.